DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Country people, we are welcome to our Ogbonge program, The Analytical. Remember, say The Analyticals. Now that Ogbonge program, we want to follow our sister program, Street Zoom, for DJM TV. Now, matter what we want to analyze today, go concern the political wadu when it happen. Well, not too long so. And what with that political wadu? It go concern the governor say Obaseki, sake of say the victory when we say the Federal High Court for Abuja give am sake of the certificate forgery when the APC and Professor Edebo they carry go the court against her. Secondly, because we go see analyze that one be say the High Court for Benin, the Edo State High Court, when they give judgment, say the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress for the September 19 governorship election for Edo State, they nullify the candidature. Sake of say the deputy governor get wahala with his certificate. So we enter street as usual for Street Zoom, go ask question, and Ogbonge people still talk to us. First thing we want to analyze today now be Honorable Mr. Austin Osayemere Okungbowa. Now, Mr. Okungbowa talk say the notification when it affects the APC governorship candidate for the September 19 governorship election for Edo State. Now, based on the fact when they before the court. So now those facts, now the court give judgment. They don't talk say one thing when you go like make people they do is this. Say once you notice say anything dey your certificate, particularly when it concern your school certificate, make you quickly correct am so that to avoid all this kind thing. For the one concern Governor Obaseki, when we say APC and Professor Edobo drag go the Federal High Court for Abuja sake of certificate forgery, they go say that matter no hold water at all. Sake of say the governor definitely, if you look at go listen to person when he go school, and so he must get certificate. So make una listen to them as intake give us in mind.
Give judgment say sake of the kind wado when they see for the APC deputy governorship candidate for the September 19 governorship election for Edo State, say they can't disqualify him, thereby disqualify the governorship candidate to when be Pastor Sage Ezeyamu. How you see him?
Well, I think the court of law, such as Federal High Court holding in Benin, is a competent jurisdiction over that matter. So there is no way, it's not by omission, it's by through the material facts, true facts. That is where the judgment came from. I think every good citizens of a country can accept that judgment. So that is how I see it.
Now, based on the fact when you talk now, then say wado they the results when he submits to INEC, I mean the deputy governor. Now, that kind judgment of yesterday, not be so it go begin to affect others, subsequent people as they go.
Yes, now is a thing one cannot hide. So whatever you do wrong, it must surely prove when time comes. So if any person, my advice to people is that if you have any issue with your result, rectify it. You can rewrite, you can go and enroll for WAEC or whatever. So even as far to higher institution, if you have any problem with your result, you go and sort it out. Sort it.
Now the principal for that election, I mean Pastor Sage Ezeyamu, don't talk say in they go for appeal. Sake of say Bele no fit am for that judgment.
Well, appeal is there to review every judgment given by any lower court. So appeal will equally go through the material facts, everything. They will review the judgment too and see how it is. If it was a mago wayo judgment, the appeal will see it. If it is a straight judgment, the appeal will equally see it and they will upheld the judgment. It's like that.
Now what about that one of Governor Godwin Obaseki when he own matter dey for Federal High Court for Abuja.
Okay.
That case when he did, so when they say he not get result, but he don't come bring result come out. How you see him?
Well, na say they be.
Okay.
It's always like that. The case of our governor, Godwin Obaseki, I think they allege that he forged, and he didn't forge.
Okay.
Yesterday it was announced on radio that the competent court that is handling that matter has admitted the credentials, the results. They've admitted it as evidences.
Okay.
So that means that one where they talk, they go say na forge, he forged. He didn't forge.
Okay.
The man has gone to the school to collect the original certificate,
Okay.
which he tendered.
Okay.
And if that is accepted by the court, meaning there is no case.
Okay.
So that is very clear.
Okay.
No problem.
Oga, thank you for the time to talk to us. But we're not going to let you go. Give us your name.
I'm Austin Osayemere Okungbowa.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
UCCR, you definitely also give your comments for our social media handles or na DJMTV. Now, another person will still go talk with can be Honorable Ozigbo Okeze, the former SA to the Governor Godwin Obaseki. He say the thing surprise am well sake of say how people go just look the governor come look and say na person wey be say e no go school no talk of say e no go get certificate. Say he know right from time say that certificate matter e no go carry water, e no go hold water at all. So he just dey laugh all this while. Say but as e be say the court na the Federal High Court for Abuja dey come give judgment in favour of the governor, say him thank God well. Say now we go come give the governor opportunity to really carry out work when he promise Edo people sake of say the election when e really come, when e be say Edo people put am for a back, he come really win. He come say he himself as a person, say how can you dey argue with person when e be say e get evidence of something, and you when dey argue with am, you no go the school go verify whether e really get certificate or even go the school at all, but you go court go dey argue with am. Then he go use the appointed adviser before anybody go carry anybody go court. Make good say make the person know say yes, he don already get evidence for ground before the fit drag anybody go court. Make una hear as Honourable Ozigbo Okeze take give in mind as we ask am question pertaining the judgment when e favour Governor Godwin Obaseki sake of say the certificate forgery.
Honourable, we want make you remind country people that your name.
My name na pidgin English, abi?
Yes.
Okay, my name na Okefe Ozigbo.
Okay.
Former SA to the governor of Edo State.
Okay.
You know, our amiable Governor Godwin Obaseki.
Okay. Now recently, one Mr. Edobo and the APC, the All Progressive Congress, dragged the governor go Federal High Court for Abuja, sake of say they say certificate matter, say he forge am. But on Saturday here, the 9th of January, Federal can give judgment. How you Federal High Court can give judgment concerning that certificate forgery when they knock against the governor. So how you see all this waka waka?
You see, from the beginning of that lawsuit, me I don't talk am say case no dey there.
Okay. Why you talk
even
so?
Though dem try to do mago, how you go look person like Governor Godwin Obaseki, then you come say he no get certificate? I no understand. You know, na only person wey e be say he go look your papa according to the judge. Even when papa stand, the resemblance dey there, papa dey tell people say na my pikin be this. Then you go say na lie or cannot be your pikin. I no understand am. Because you no see original copy. You can't begin to do your judgment on photocopy. Then begin to file lawsuit. Say person not get certificate because you see photocopy. You not get original copy. It not make sense now. That's why me I see am say from the beginning they not get case. They not present any case. Where be say person feel dey fear. Me not fear. Okay. Me I know say the case it go die natural death because you say you no get certificate. say you never see original before, na only photocopy you don see. Professor na talk that one, say you never see original before, he don see the photocopy from different places. Institute any case against somebody, say a false certificate wey you never see the original, and the original you go examine, take note whether the certificate na forged one, and then you come go the school, the person no go know, you come go the school now, go verify whether truly the certificate na their own. They don't do any of that one, they begin they go court, they just want ridicule, make I not use the word ridicule, they just want waste the time of judiciary, and try to see how they can distract the governor. You know if you distract Obaseki, because Obaseki na God's project. Whether you like am or not, the governor na divine project. When grace of God dey upon any man wey you dey fight, that fight go always disgrace you. Look am from this angle. You come with so many threats, call lions and tigers for election, make people for fear. Election come, they do am peacefully, free, fair and credible. Obaseki win. Now you carry case, go court again, say you no get certificate. I don't know who they advise them. That's why me talk say from the beginning, I first know say the case no go get.
Now, as you just hear the judgment that Saturday, wetin be the first thing when it enter your mind?
You know, that as I hear the judgment on Saturday, I know say they are capable of so many things. I mean those EPM people, they are capable of so many wrong things, so many wrong surprises. But on the other hand, I can't believe say we get God. We not get Godfather, but we get God the Father, and we get governor, we get deputy governor, we get SSG. People wey sabi, wey know their onion, wey know say they not fit leave their house on guard. Those people, they do everything to make sure say they not fit turn judiciary hand upside down. Do everything to make sure say they not fit turn the victory to sorrow. Do everything to make sure say judiciary get every evidence wey they need to take make sure say judiciary not talk another thing, because they provide everything. UI Concord testify as witness, provide all the documents, both primary or both secondary school owner, both HSC owner. They provide all the certificates. So court now they want to court judge. You will carry person go court say na a false certificate. You don't see another certificate of Obaseki bring come out, apart from the photocopy wey dey with you. When they carry up and down, go carry for leg. Oh, bubu yaya keke ebo people. You know, they don't get work actually. You know, I know say they not get work, so they just want to try to engage themselves because their father don't give them ginger. They come dey feel say since na Abuja, and you know anything can happen in Abuja, but Edo don't be Imo. So we know, you know wetin happen for Imo, not fit happen for Edo. They like them know. Who know? If you know, you know. I not call anybody name. Wetin happen for Imo, not fit happen for Edo. That thing wey they do for that side, Abuja, no dey change our fate for Edo. Igodo mi godo, ewe anagbebe noba. Aga sọ̀rọ̀ Edo ọ̀dìyàn, Edo asọ̀rọ̀ ma Edo ọ̀bẹ ọ̀dìyàn, ọba àtọ́pẹ́ ìṣe. So I have to fear with you, my brother.
Now, as it be say this case now don't come, it don't go. Wetin country people now for Edo State go come they expect from the governor?
You know, say those people ever since they try to distract governor. Governor as they swear, I mean, he don't hit the ground rolling. Even before they swear governor, in plans don't already there. They don't get many plans where they need to activate. You know, make I use the word activate. You know, because they don't get many areas, many sectors where they want touch. Where Edo people go see, they go know, say yes, difference there between the gogoro and water. They fit get the same color, not be the same taste, and not they do the same work. So people need to be patient with the governor a little bit, because now we be say we don't defeat this Goliath. I know say governor don't hit the ground rolling. COVID-19 the second wave they do you for one side. Just imagine say if not be say we get Obaseki for this COVID-19 period. Say now one kind of governor we don't know what they call economic management, finance management, you know, administrative skills. You know, say maybe na one kekebo, one obubu yaya, one cut and then I be our governor today. People for don't run for Benio. People for don't run. During the first period, you don't see what they happen. Who you dash for, say you dash a house. People for all wrong. So this governor came at the right time for Edo people, for liberation, for turnaround, for sustainability of good governance, you know, for transparency. Governor will be say, you know, they hide anything where this government they do, you want to know, just go to the right ministry, they go open everything for you, you go see everything. In the time past, you don't know how much they take award road, you don't know how much they take do this one, but this time around, Nalayo, this road will stand put so, you know how many years they take and play politics, you know how many years we take a campaign. But Obaseki enter, you not talk am twice. Now once, Sesevier Road now, if you drive, follow Sesevier Road, go pass Imi community, pass Sumelu community, pass Evolumu community, pass Avama community, pass Oba community, pass Oba Dolovier community, pass Oba Sagbon community, go come for bypass. Sesevier Road. My brother, if person tell me say that this thing say go happen in the next 30 years, me for not believe am. But Obaseki as he be now, you know now, Obaseki wonder, you know, we can see governor, you know, he dey pepper them. You know, now one thing I like about them, anytime they bring anything negative, go pepper them with positive. You know, say God na light, and devil na darkness. So we, Obaseki na light, and we believe in him. And I please, I beg every Edo people, whether you dey house or you dey abroad, make you get patient with Obaseki. This government. Come and see, come and see wetin Obaseki dey do. This government and one government will be say in legacy, except say the person who will take over from Obaseki after 2024, he go don study Obaseki to make it follow in footstep.
But people, una don see the video, una don hear with una own ear. Now, for the judgment, definitely for every court of law, na fact na dey important. Not be just say I talk am or I hear am. Now the fact you go get am concrete, as we go man dey call am concrete fact. You go put am before the court and the judge go look am. He go say yes, you get point. Then he go give judgment. So abeg, in case of next time, when you wan institute any matter, particularly against government, make sure say you get the right fact. So na here we go draw curtain, but the discussion, the analyzing, will not end here. So abeg, make you drop your comment for our social media handles, how you see the matter. Based on say people when we analyze wetin they talk today now, na their mind dey give. So you too fit still give your own comment and even suggestions for our social media handles. From me, my name na Stanley Okocha for the GM TV.
DJA TV. DJA TV.